this House from number 1 to number 11, Honorable Speaker, I thank the legal counsel of the Deputy President for interrogating the witnesses, more so Honorable Mutuse being the lead witness and the mover of the motion. Honorable Speaker, I want to put to this House that I am unable to see evidence that has been put in place for the 11 counts, 11 grounds in this motion. Honorable Mutuse was unable to demonstrate on issues that has been raised in this motion. Particularly, can go to 1 or 2, the motion or the counts 7 or charge 7, where the Deputy President was alleged to have a 5.2 billion within his assets within that small period of time. Honorable Speaker, I understand that this witness was not able to explain and demonstrate that the Honorable Deputy President got the 5.2 billion because of the contracts that he has done with the government. He wasn't able to demonstrate that this money, 5.2 billion, was received or was the Deputy President received because of this, from this company, from another company, or this other company. There was no evidence on this count. Honorable Speaker, the kind of impunity I've seen in the issue of listing 22 companies without evidence of what the track of the monies or funds that has been done or that has been used to demonstrate that these companies are doing business with government was not there. This is impunity of a high order. To bring 22 companies and you are unable, as a move of the motion, to explain that this company A, company 1 to company number 22 have received or got money from government or from government institutions. But you just put it on the motion and it becomes something to impeach the Deputy President. Honorable Speaker, we have seen where the Deputy President is alleged to have conspired with a company, Agrobrick Investment Limited, where the control of State House, as an accounting officer of the State House, signed the contract, and it is brought to the motion that this contract and this company is alleged to have been a company to remove the Deputy President. Honorable Speaker, this House this afternoon received a report from the legal counsel of the Deputy President that the Deputy President is sick. Now, we are ready